Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warwick LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warwick LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yeah, I want to add this. You know, I'm not sure how much you get to emphasize that in the video, but you see, woman, if you're not comfortable with the Locs, you can cut it. Nobody business, and that not stop you from being Rastafari or say Rastafari or make you less of any person to any Rasta. He would be a lesser person to the eye if you make that be an issue. No, an issue was just the attitude or the perceived attitude. Because I misconstrue it. You know, see? I never misconstrue it either. I like basically say what it is. You know, see? And it was what it is. To be honest. You know, see? So it's not like a case where, if Queen Ifrica cut her Locs, done, no, and that. You know, we don't live so. You know, see? And I just say, just the attitude behind all of that. You know, see? Rastafari don't say, if there's anything along the way, any child along the way we're not comfortable with, you know, see, we're not have to do it, including wearing Locs, growing Locs and all them sort of thing. You know, see, mama, we love you same way. Just continue doing your work and go and be the safety net, the bolster, the iron eye same way. You know, see, mad love and respect, man, every day. Majestically, I give thanks. Yes, brothers and sisters, greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I first, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make way go to the platform. You know, see it, as you can see, we in a nice mood, nice vibrant, upbeat mood. You know, see, yeah, see, everything is the same. Like you can see, we let out my Locs today in support of the Queen Ifrica. Queen Ifrica come loud and clarify the thing. You see? And I love how she do. I have to respect Queen Ifrica. Queen Ifrica just come like a bad boy. She entire a man type thing, you know. What does I say? Our girl attitude, you know, it's like a bad girl, like a gangster girl type of thing. Still, even though she shot the most and thing. And I feel pleased. Enough of the item all look but like attitude change and think you're damn right to change. Man, if you dress up the thing. No, I'm unhappy because it's like the support or the enforcement as we know it, you know, is still the same as we know it. Because Queen Ifrica is a massive part. And so that they try to show you when we see a little thing look a little way immediately we grow concerned. I mean, like needs to, just the love, just the expectation and the dependency for the moral support and the moral guidelines. Yes, Rasta. And when some boy come over here come talk about respect no man, depend no man. No do that, no bring that to Rasta. Rasta is a group. It's a unity. Each one teach one, iron sham iron. No one a we can make this work. All of we are going to make this work. And we have to be the moral backings and support for each other. It always a heartbreak if we see somebody falter along the way. Whereas if we never know, say, this is a develop, so that's what we could make an input in order to avert certain crises or certain things like that. You know, see, everyone reserve the right to do what they want to do. You know, see, yeah, but again, if needs be, where if a supporter one need, we rather administer every resource and every effort to say certain things go right. You know, see. Anyway, I'm going to watch the video with Queen Ifrica quickly, so I don't say, yeah, Mama alive and well, I hear her opinion, and then we are jump on back on this as you know. Give thanks.
I am only doing this video for my loyal fans. The people them will really love me for true. And see that little video that I put up the other day and see some nigga. I wonder if something wrong with Queen Ifrica or if Queen Ifrica trim. No only for me nothing left for my head, but trim no in our thing, we bun trim. Saying, and yeah, I don't know when since Rasta woman can look sexy. And that we have underneath the whole heap of long clothes and turban because we choose to trad and live that way there. But me never see no way in the law book we say me can't have on a little sexy clothes if me dey home. So who begs about that? Go and begs about that. I just want my loyal fans them out there were really concerned now. So we good man. More time you just give them something to chat about sometime I make them go and chop. And all who thinks that me trim and can still go and maintain that. You can't take it back here now. Because you done put it out the cemetery. Saying, just go and love life same way, man, and love God. No matter where them come with, love God and keep God in your heart. Same way, no matter what go on around you. You see what I say, welcome to the new world. Yeah, man, go and big up on yourself and go and love life. Same way here. Go and follow the what you call it, the TikTok page, yeah. I don't know, we hail His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie Empress Menenai from our heart. We don't hail him in our clothes. Yeah, we don't hail him in our clothes. Now worry over two things. We want to see people put up like on the things so you can't come dictate to ones live them life. All you curly locks, 2 locks are where you name. But you never pick up your phone and call me. And you me choose to pick out because you is a youth when me rate. If you pick up your phone and call me and say, Queen, you're good, I want to know. What me do? Rasta sexy and I long clothes. Get with it.
Yeah. 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 Clearly put, well said. We couldn't say it better. And me no want to add nothing to it. I don't take away nothing from it. And see, just as a mama, big woman, bigger than enough, boy, that me I try to show you. You see, what I try to show you, you see the critical concern them, the oversight them when mama make, mama admit them and put them out there and make her fan them know, say, we don't talk about Rasta, where they be in all the way and know, say, yeah, I'm a Rasta brother, them the one I look up to, when I look pan side of me, and them come and then one, I don't want them where I grow come up where I look down pan so and I try nurture them, I don't worry. You see it, and probably mama was a put oversight where all the women and we know that. You see it, yeah. You see it. But again, we have to be our judge. We have to judge one another first. We can't wait till Ballad run up and down with that and attack. But then at them time that we I say, I don't want to shame, You see it. So any little thing we see, a concern one affect all the way. I'm going some rich boy. The one side. Them ego, we go, I'm say ego, not exist around mama. That me notice, yo, mama are the best. Yeah, it's an example. That them energy, the white man was so heartbroken when man hear the whole thing. You know see it? Yeah. Yeah. You know see it, mama, with that lie. Even if Jano, yeah, hear that, all 2 lakhs. She goes up and say 2 lakhs and she never say it with no. Yo, mama, that's why we have to there, man, and heartbroken when we think. Say, we just thought a certain things, Rasta. Trigger we have, trigger we emotion. But we in a really ecstatic mood. See it. When we hear mama say what she say, oh, mama say what she say, I know. We just stick to mama, man. Come on, man. Yeah. We're not business. I saw the thing said. Yeah. In a business. Everything when mama say, she say it too. See it. Yeah, it wasn't that critical. I don't think our argument was critical or disrespectful in any way to anybody. See, for the sake of the whole of that, I man take responsibility for the way how she feel. So that some boy don't get up in them feelings and go on like them want still stay with them there upon them high ass and go on like so well then. Mama now no strength or mama invalid. Are the queen that, see it, and we want to keep it that way. The recognition is of such, and we no business. No man is perfect, no woman not perfect neither. Yet, are we make the thing happen? It can't happen without us. Without us, it not exists. You see, the most we can do is strengthen one another. Any man where they has to think him perfect or him are the perfect one or him can be more perfect than another one where I try. Rasta, I are the evil amongst us. I tell you that. And we don't want to hear nothing from you. If you can't admit that everyone will falter, anybody will falter, and them say, you is just like any, setback where man could have did come about. You know, see it? So, with all that said, Rasta, we need to be, the whetting stone where each other sharpen them blade pan. You know, see it? We need to be with each other with the whetting stone, the support factor, and make each other know what they mean. Them little thing there, we create certain rift and divide and break down. Because we all up in our ego and go on like we don't want to compliment and teach each other the benefits where I and I inherit from the I. You know, see it? Them thing there, and this try is a vital part of our culture that we are losing these days. It's not dead, it's not gone away. Just so we are lose it. You know, see it? If we could have learned to manifest that community force, a community spirit, to them and Mark Springer, I discussed that same thing they say, we lose that, the community spirit. You know, anyways, a thing where Rasta know and thrive pan. You know, see it? So, I have the authority, just like any Rasta have the authority, for point her in the right direction. Criticize her as well. You know, see it? What we do, we criticize with knowledge. We not just condemn you. We not take them criticism from nobody and no Rasta and nothing, nobody where you come from. We not care how you hear long. You have to come with constructive criticism. That is what matters. That is how we teach. And you know, see, if you come with your aggression and your distortion and your, you know, see, hostility, keep that over there, so. You know, see, yeah. You stay over there, so we did, because if you're there over here, so you're not the physical, you don't know. You don't know. You know, see, you would even speak. Notice. So we just want to say with Queen a nice mood today, and that video where you just with Queen Ifrica set the record straight is what put I in a nice mood. Even if I she attacked, which I very much doubt it still. But you see, if it's a case where you don't know, you have to look at it like your loved one. More than you violate all your loved one, and them chastise you, and you have to just worry that and know. So, you know, see, but yeah, I did have a certain reason for feel a certain way still, you know, see, regardless of the facts, well then, you know, my notion or feelings might be, you know, wrong. It wasn't disingenuous, you know, see, it meant well, to put it mildly. You know, see, a woman know that. You can hear it in a woman argument. Me I say the best woman, that woman there, me love her. And that's one next thing again. Now you none of the critic them say, oh, you talk about woman like you in love with her or you're higher. Like, oh, you sound like your heart broken, so. Me know you no man slide it down the road. And I'm saying this is even remotely the case. But me I say, me know you no man slide it down the road like so well and him sound like a heartbreaking, you know? Me know you no man so don't like that, Rasta. Every man I make it look like. But we give thanks to you, you know. I like to say, everything is a wise purpose. Everything is a learning curve. I would give thanks. Probably we did down yesterday. I need something to bounce back further than where we was the day before, which is this today. I would give thanks. Many, many thanks. You know, see, it is a psychological benefit if you observe what I mean, because everything was just plain the day before yesterday. You know. See, then Mama come and Mama go so boop and did things. Because Mama would not take it from me, you know, you did the thing we don't say, you know. You know, see, when they come back, you bring back the thing way up here, so. You know, see, Way past what he did there before. But not tell you a lie. And in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty, I give thanks, Rasta. I give thanks, Rasta. I give thanks. Yeah, me no business with nobody want to say, you know. All hands on deck. None of we no perfect. You know, see it. And from your sight, your sight. You know, your input is necessary and well worthy, well depended upon. You know, see it. And that's the thing that everybody have a role to play, particularly in a Jamaica today. This is not about Rastafari or dreadlocks. When it comes to the roles where we have to play in a Jamaica. See, separated from the fact that Rasta have them own work where they do amongst them two and then have to maintain the structure of things, you know. We not deny that. You know, see, but apart from that, we have to add the troubles of the nation to that as well, because a part of the responsibility as an observer, no, Rasta never come as a group to itself when a business with nobody else. You see, matter of fact, it's far from that our biggest problem that because we take on everybody's struggle and everybody's business and fight it for them. You see, so we have that to contend with, so we need the structure and the strength amongst the 200 and the strong, vibrant people and the people and where Mama know what she do, you know, Mama know what she do, Rasta. But she look on the facts when they do some corruption or take this now and run with it and say, Mama never look on the people them where I look up and say, yeah, you know, I say, no matter what go on down so see Mama there. You know, she never just that was the issue. I one of them where I say, yeah, so Mama there, as bad as the woman them be, and the woman them are going like say, well then I eat that and rare. See Mama there, and look on Mama high ranking. You know, see it, top ranking. You know, see it, way up above them too, where play out themselves in a dance hall and some little nastiness, some woman, let me say, a mama age too, or the queen age too. You know, see it. So, even one, like me always say, you know, if every Rasta fought, if every man with dreadlocks goes up and have them issues, you know, you have one man out there with a Rasta and him a Rasta, even if everybody else a boogalooga. You know, see it. So, I same thing with Mama, I same regard. So we don't want to put it down to that, we don't want to put it down to this. You know, see it. We just say, yeah, we just try to maintain the strength and the vibes and we'll fight for it too. What do you mean? We will fight. We will fight. We not just fight the struggle for it. Like me say, yeah, we will fight in our way also for maintain. Did you see? Oh, I man, yeah. I saw, yeah, the thing for stay in our little with principled, and if we see thing a deviate certain way, and we are the soldier them Rasta we trophies higher. You know, see? Yeah. So that me I say, and I open and know say my mood is genuine. And I say, if I me Mama talk, I deserve everything what she say. Thank you, Mama. See? But me not business. Yes, see. Yes, when you see Mama, how she look, I want to hear how Mama sound. Yeah, a Mama that. Yeah. We don't want to hear Mama sound like she want, you know, joke thing with nobody, right, you know. You know, see it. So I eat that and we give thanks, regardless of what anybody want to say. We give thanks and we feel good again. Up and about, up and out, Mama, up and out. You know, see it.